Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We've been putting bills on Where's George. We got a hit on one today. We'll show you how to go look at it, okay? Okay, you're going to get an email from Where's George when you get a hit. I'll show you how to go into it. Go open your email. Right there it says, Where's George? Click on that. See, it shows the part of the serial number and all. Right below it there, it says, click here for the tracking report. Link to the tracking report. Okay. It'll open Where's George. There's my tracking report on that bill. Blow it up like you do a photograph, okay? The bottom one is me, where I originally entered it. The next one up was 15 days and 20-something hours later. Somebody got it at change in a elementary school, probably in the cafeteria. And they clicked on enter a bill they found, and I got this hit. All right. So there's your hit. You're going to get an email from them. It tells you how the distance is calculated, and there is a link to click on for the page if you want to save the page address. In the email, a lot of things there about what you can and can't do, fact, guidelines, contacts. It says you cannot enter a bill and then send it into a banking institution. That's not legal, okay? Now here's another email. We got like 4 more here, so we'll click on one of them, show you their hits. Okay. How about this one? First one. It says it's a Where's George? It's 1 year bill was $1 series 2009. Click on that link and it'll take you over to it. Now we're online here, not on the app, okay? See where it is? That's me. I entered in Quitman. It was in Wichita, Kansas, 2 years and 16 days later. Boy, took a long time for that to get another hit, didn't it? But that's the way it goes. A lot of people find it and just don't enter it, so. There's other stuff down here. Okay. Home. Various things you can do up here. We're online on the website. Okay. Click there. First one says, I found the Where's George bill. If you found one, click that. If you want to enter one of your own, click that one. All right. Let's go to the next one. Up one right there. Another dollar bill, it says. 2013 dollar bill. There's a serial number, a part of it. Right there, click on that link. It's loading the website. There we are. Quitman, that's me, the first one. Looks like it was found 1 day later in Quitman also. I probably spent that at one of the drive-in places here, getting a cold drink or something. They found it and got it and changed and entered it, so that was pretty quick, wasn't it? Let's go to the store a minute. What have we got? WG stamps. Where's George stamps? Now these are interesting. You can buy these stamps here, the different kinds they have. Here we go. There's a self-inking one. These are round ones. Little round stamps, okay. Let's go check the next bill, okay. This is emails, remember? They send you an email when it's found. Your $1 bill has been found. All right. Click the link. That first one's me, Quitman, Texas, and it was found in Roswell, New Mexico. Wow, did an alien find that one? Roswell, that's where the alien spaceship crashed. years ago. 1 year and 34 days later. So it took a while to get over there and be found. There's forum, there's top 10s. Fact, if you want to go in and see what you can do and can't do with this. This is all online, okay? wheresgeorge.com. Let's go back. We got one more up here. This one's a $5 bill. Look at here. 2017, hey, $5 bill. Serial number. Click the link. That's me, Quitman, Texas. Jacksonville, Texas is where it's found. 32 days later, I think that says. Fun. Let's go back to the store here. What do you say? Fun, fun, fun. They got more stamps up there in that store you can buy for stamping your bills. Coffee mugs, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff. Store home, here we go. Things you can find. Jewelry and shirts, hats. Yep. Hats and accessories. Buttons and magnets. They all seem to be the same ones there. Alright, let's go look at those stamps. There was another stamp there. Over here is there's a round one. This is a rectangular one. Self-inking that you can get. Acrylic stamp. There's some of the stamp designs. Good looking designs. I kind of like that round one. I had one at one time, but don't know what happened to it. I'm using a oblong one now, or a long one. One line. The round ones again. Oil-based self-inking. There's some of the designs you can get. That one just says WG. I like those round ones. Track this bill. Track this bill, wheresgeorge.com. I like that one. $27.50 for that. You found a lucky bill. See where I've been. You found a Where's George bill. wheresgeorge.com. Show them where the serial number is and all that. Track this bill. All kinds of different stamps there. Well, you can see the website. That's their store. All kinds of stuff there. I like those stamps. I may have to get me one of them round stamps. I wish I still had mine. 1950. Okay. It's probably about what they cost you if you ordered one online somewhere else. So. There you can get with and without a border, color of ink you want, any special instructions if you want to give them. I like the red ink. I like the border on the round stamp. May have to order one of them. Yep, look at all those. See, without border and with borders, whichever you want there. Circle is the border. All right, you find these bills, please enter them so people can track where they go and where they've been. The owner can track them anytime, all the hits. The guy that originally entered it. All right, I think it's time to get back to the email. Yep, that's the last one, so I think we're going to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And leave us a comment. Tell us if you're using these things and what you found. And we'll see you next time.